I'm answering this question by setting up an experiment where I'm taking oysters and placing them in 72 5-gallon buckets. Inside the bucket is either going to be just oysters or oysters with clams and mussels that naturally live around oyster reefs. And I'm then exposing them to pathogens and seeing if there's any difference in how many oysters get diseased based on their surrounding community. I'm looking at dermo, which is a disease that's caused by a protist, Perkinsus marinus. And I'm also looking at some bacterial pathogens too. So there's a lot of oyster aquaculture these days, and currently we're growing oysters only in monoculture. And if I can show that there might be some advantage or even disadvantage of growing them with other species, that could influence how aquaculture progresses.